This assignment is Excel calculation and formatting assignment, and this first video is just to get started. So you'll go to the Excel calculation and formatting assignment in Canvas, and if you're not familiar with Excel, you can download the Excel tutorials and go through those for background information on how to work with Excel. If we look at that, we can see basics, getting started, creating and open workbooks, sharing and saving workbooks, all the basics. If you need to go through those, I recommend that you do before you take this assignment. Once that is done, you'll download the Excel calculation and formatting assignment example, which is a PDF file, and the assignment table. We also have here the rubric, which shows the points that you'll mark for on your assignment. So once you've downloaded your PDF file, saved it and opened it up, it looks like this. And so we're using this assignment table for your work. This is an example. This is a PDF example of what it looks like. You will format your assignment to look like the table below when you're done. But of course, filling in the formulas and the calculations. Over here on this side is a list of the tasks that you need to complete in order to be able to finish the project. And in the formula fields, which are these ones that we see here that are blank, your assignment needs to be uploaded with formulas. If there are no formulas in the calculated fields, you will not get credit for those. So what we do is we will first format the title and the date, and do column and row headings, talk about currency formatting, then we'll do calculations for our contingency, our hard costs, overhead calculations, and do some totals, and then we'll do another session on formatting, spacing, the borders, cell shading, and then you'll upload the file and also upload a PDF file to Canvas, and that will require some formatting that we'll go over in order to be able to print the PDF Canvas file. So to start the assignment, you will download and open the Excel file called Calculation and Formatting Assignment Raw Data. And you can see this looks like the table that it has all the information in the table that we just looked at in the PDF file, but none of this is formatted. Once again, you have all the information here, so we don't have to worry about keying in data, but we're going to work primarily on formatting and writing formulas. So that's the end of this video, and the next one we will go into formatting the table.